Alright, this is my review of the Arq four-wheel drive 270 6.5 foot. I have it on a 2008 Toyota 4Runner. Just installed it today. Took about 4 or 5 hours. There's no instructions, there was no brackets, no hardware. Pretty much a pain in the ass, but you figure it out. It actually turned out really well. That's all the way around in the back. So you got pretty good coverage. The things that the website don't explain to you is, one, the mounting hardware. This is going to be the best way of doing it. So I put braces all the way across, and then bolts directly all the way through. So the main back is going to be where all the weight is, and then front, same thing. I put bolts through, and looks like that. But overall, man, it's really good quality. The canvas itself is really nice. These things extend out, allowing this to actually come out further and give you complete extension. So that's really cool. It compacts up a little bit. These things unclip, and then they just drop down. I might as well just do one more quick through. There's built-in LED lights too. So at night, it's really cool. This is the bottom view. Freestanding awning, no poles in the corner. It's absolutely what I wanted. And this thing could withstand, is what I heard, 65 mile an hour winds. I installed it today. Colorado, it's September 8th, and it was really windy. But man, overall, it's really good construction. I'm really impressed. I thought I was gonna be a little upset with missing hardware and brackets to mount it, but having spent an extra 50 bucks on hardware and brackets, I'm really happy with the outcome. The Arq four-wheel drive company. This is the 270 6.5 passenger side awning. Check them out.